Welcome my dear students. I am Manisha Modi from Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya, class 4, subject science. Chapter is the right clothes to wear. So today we are doing the revision of this chapter. So before starting this chapter, I want to tell you something that hope. What is hope? Hope is the place where you want to go. Hope is the person who you want to know. Hope is the feeling that carries you through, and hope is the future for me and for you. So always be hopeful and take care of yourself. Okay. So now never stop learning, because life never stop teaching. Once again I am repeating, never stop learning, because life never stop teaching. Yes. So our topic is the right clothes to wear. Yes, as we know that different type of seasons are there. So you know that the whole day which type of clothes we should wear. Different seasons, different occasion and different according to activity. Clothes protect us from dust, dirt, insect bites, and it also protects us from the different season effect. So according to seasons, you are wearing different type of clothes. When you are feeling hot, when you are feeling cold, according to summer season, which type of clothes you wear in summer season, and why in summer season you feel very hot. Yes, so you wear different type of clothes in a one day also. Clothes come in different styles and colors, and even when we are wearing the clothes, it look us smart, and it depend on our season and occasion. When and where? Cotton clothes. When we should wear the cotton clothes? We should wear cotton clothes in summer season. Why we should wear the cotton clothes in summer season? Because yes, so cotton clothes protect us from heat. It reflects the heat. It does not absorb the heat. So we feel relaxed when we wear the cotton clothes. Students, can I ask one question? What happened if I wear the woolen clothes in rainy summer season? Yes, so we feel very hot. We cannot wear woolen clothes in the summer season. Yes, so according to season we have to wear clothes. Rainy season, which type of clothes or which type of things we are using? Yes, so we can use umbrella, raincoat in the rainy season to protect ourselves from the rain, water. Yes, so which material this is made of? Yes, so raincoat and this umbrella are made up of waterproof material. Winter season, which type of clothes we wear in winter season and why? Again I am repeating that clothes protect us from the season also. Yes, like in the winter season we feel very cold. To get our body heat, warm, we are wearing the woolen clothes to protect our body. Yes, so woolen clothes give us warm. Student, you understood that very well, that he like food, clothes are very important for us. According to different activity, according to weather, according to occasions, we wearing different type of clothes. In summer season you are using cotton clothes. In rainy season you are using umbrella and raincoat. In the winter season you are using woolen clothes, jacket, muffler, scarf, so that give warm to your body. Do you know, my children, that cotton comes from the Arabic word, that is the kutan, which means fancy. So we wear clothes to cover our body. Different type of clothes we wear according to the season and occasion. Yes, it's also that clothes worn in special jobs. So different type of people wear different type of clothes according to their job. Like the doctor wear the white coat. Yes, police inspector or the army soldiers, they are wearing the special uniform. They are made by the tough material. Why they are made by the tough material? Because they have to work full day and their work is very hard work. So that's why they are wearing such type of material they are using. Yes, lawyer are also using the different type of materials. Yes, so different according to, yes, school. As you know that in school also you are wearing the different dress. What is this special dress? uniform, as your teacher and you all students are also wearing the uniform. Yes, very right answer. Yes. Now I am asking one question, that in ancient people, how they are protect themselves with the weather. Yes, so they are using the leaves, tree leaves, skin of the animals, bark of the trees. They are using such type of things to cover their body and to cover from the weather also. So because they don't have clothes that time, so they were using such type of things to protect their body and to cover their body. Now I am asking dear students, according to occasion, according to activity, we are also wearing the different type of clothes. Are you wearing the same clothes at home also, or when you are going at birthday party of your friend? No, you are not wearing the same uniform. Uniform? Are you wearing the uniform? No, you are wearing different type of clothes. Why? Because that time you are wearing the fancy dress and you want to look smart. So different activity, different occasion, you are wearing different type of clothes. Like when you are going to play, that time you are wearing the simple clothes. But when you are going in party, marriage, that time you are wearing fancy clothes. So clothes look us smart. When you are wearing good clothes, when you are wearing clean clothes, we are looking more and more smart. Yes. When you are coming from the, yes. Now I want to add something as special clothes. Which are the special clothes? As you know very well that this time coronavirus is going on. So this time people are using those who are all, they have to fight all the time, or I can say that they have to always with the coronavirus patients, so they have to wear some special uniform. So this this uniform, it protect them from the coronavirus. Yes. Now I am explaining about types of fiber. As you know very well that children, fibers we can divide into the two categories, natural fiber and the synthetic fiber. Natural fiber means that fiber that come from the plants or animals, plant or plant product. Yes, so which are the fiber that come from the plants? Cotton, jute, hemp. These are the few fiber that come from the plants. Animals, wool, silk. These are the fiber that come from the animals. Now natural fiber, why we are using this natural fiber? What are the benefits? Yes, clothes we wear in during summer. These clothes are known as the cotton clothes. And why we want to wear it? Because these give us the relax from the heat. So cotton clothes are made by spinning and weaving cotton. Cotton clothes made by cotton. Natural fibers. Again, clothes we wear in during winter season, that is also made by the wool getting by the sheep and the other animals. So wool is used to knit sweater, cap, socks and other warm clothes. So we are using the woolen clothes to keep our body warm, to protect us from the cold. Natural fiber, silkworm, silk. So where we are getting silk? Getting silk from the silkworm. And this silk has a very good sign, and we have to take care of our silk clothes. Even we are using this silk clothes in the marriage, birthday party also, because this silk are made by the silk threads, and these silk threads are made by the cocoon. And these silk clothes are looking very nice because silk has very beautiful sign. Yes, woolen clothes, that now you know that the wool, fur, leather, these all types of clothes are known as natural fibers, because these all clothes are made by the natural fiber. Now the synthetic fiber. What is the synthetic fiber? Synthetic fiber that is made by the chemical. It is known as the man-made fiber or the artificial fiber also. And synthetic fiber is also warm to wear because yes, it dries quickly. And it's very easy to care of this type of synthetic clothes because no need to iron also, not crease, easy to care, washable easily, dry very easily. So synthetic clothes are easy to take care, and it's also, yes, its texture is also very smooth in comparison of the natural fiber. So synthetic fiber are different type of synthetic fibers are there. rayon, nylon, polyester and the acrylic. Yes, now the types of fiber, again I am recalling it, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. So what is the natural fiber, my dear students? Fiber which are getting from the plant product or animals, that is known as the natural fiber. Examples are cotton, wool, silk, jute, etc. Synthetic fibers. So which are the synthetic fiber? That fibers that are man-made fiber, or we can say that synthetic fiber, artificial fiber also, and it is made by the chemical. Yes. So fiber is made of multiple units of a chemical substance. So this unit in fiber are joined together like a chain. This is known as the synthetic fiber. Now I am asking question that why should we wear white or light color clothes in the summer season? Can you tell me? Yes. So because the white color clothes are, it's not absorb the heat, it reflected back this sunlight. Yes, so that's why we are feeling less heat when we are wearing the light color clothes or the white clothes. But if you wear the black color or dark color clothes, then you feel more hot. So my students, my dear student, remember it that in the summer season you should try to use that the light color clothes or the white color clothes. Yes. So now I am asking few questions from you, my dear students. Are you ready? Yes. So now it's time to take your test. Why should we wear clean clothes? How we take care of clothes? Why do we need to take care of clothes? Why should we change sweat and the soiled clothes? Yes, my dear students. So why should we wear clean clothes? We should wear clean clothes to protect ourselves from the germs, virus, and we also look smart when we are wearing the clean and nice clothes. Yes. How we take care of clothes? How can? When we wash it properly, when we iron it properly and keep it properly, then this type we can take care of clothes. Why do we need to take care of clothes? Now, next. Yes, so care of clothes. Why should we care of clothes? Because we must wash our clothes daily with the clean water and soap. Why? Because when we use the dirty clothes again and again, then we maybe feel sick again and again. Yes. So to protect yourself from the diseases and the virus, as you know very well that the coronavirus is going on, so we should also take care of our clothes. Disinfected clothes we should wear. It means wash properly. Whenever you are playing, so after coming from the playground, you should change your soiled and dirty clothes and you should wear the clean clothes. Yes. So now, why should we have to take care of clothes? Yes. So if we care of clothes, then it will be last longer and it will be look more good. So we can, after the playground, whenever we can, we should keep our clothes dirty for the wash. Yes. And even we can use the mothballs, neem leaves to take care of these leaves. Yes. Like the silk clothes and woolen clothes, we should use the mild soap, or either we can use the liquid detergent like the Easy. So these are the good things for to take care of these silk clothes and the woolen clothes. So before keep it, we can use we can keep this clothes sometime in the sunshine also, and after when we are keep this cloth inside our cupboard, so we can use this mothballs or neem leaves, so that these neem leaves or mothballs, it protect these clothes from the insect. Yes. Now I am asking question that what is the national dress of India? Yes, my dear students. So national dress of India is sari. Now my next question is, yes. So different kind of clothes in India we are wearing according to the place, their climate and weather. So in which place there is we are feeling more heat, that places people they are using cotton clothes. In which place they are living, they are feel that the more cold, they are using the woolen clothes, or the clothes that give them warm. So according to the season, according to weather, according to place, we are using different type of clothes. National dress of Japan, what is this? Kimono. Very right answer. Yes. So now this is the time for test yourself. Unscramble these letters to form words. Use the picture click button, and these are the few. Yes. So now you understand that which type of clothes we should wear, and when to wear, according to occasion, according to festivals, according to weather. So my dear students, this is our Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya study material site. So you can get all things regarding all subject according to class wise. When you will get test folder is there, so you will be get informations about your test result, everything you will be getting. Yes. So in the last, I want to say something that ask yourself if what you are doing today is getting you closer to where you want to be tomorrow. I want to repeat it again, my dear student. Ask yourself if what you are doing today is getting you closer to where you want to be tomorrow. Yes. So thank you, my dear students. I think that all you understand very well about this chapter.